Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we're going to show you how you can start a new video call or meeting on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So in the first step, head over to Microsoft, for example, to their homepage and select Teams here, or you may use the Google search, for example, for that, or simply sign in through the desktop application of Teams once you have downloaded and installed it. So click into sign in the top right corner and log into your Microsoft account, and that is going to redirect you to Teams. So guys, what you want to do is here, head over to the chat feature and simply click into this button here, Meet Now, to start a new meeting. After that, give your meeting a name below, and you may also create a shareable link to invite your contacts and friends to join your video call or start your meeting instantaneously by clicking into this button. So let us do this. After that, the video call will be initiated, as you can see. So what you want to do, guys, is invite your contacts to join your meeting through the aforementioned meeting link. You may copy it into your clipboard here and send it to your friends via direct messages, for example, or emails, or do that via that email invitation. Here you may also search for users and contacts here in the search bar, then your contact list on Microsoft to invite them directly. So guys, that's basically it. Once you're inside your meeting, make sure that Microsoft Teams has access to your camera if you're using it as a video call. Of course, you can turn off your camera entirely and simply call your friends like a normal phone call using your microphone and your headset. So if that's not the case, guys, simply make sure that you have given Teams the permission to use your camera. To do that, click into this button next to the URL address and make sure that camera is enabled so that Teams has the permission to use it. And that's basically it. After that, simply talk to your microphone. You will see the timer here in the top left corner, the elapsed time of the meeting. You may leave it here in the top right. You may end the entire meeting. You may mute your microphone here. You may turn on or turn off your camera. You may share your display or your screen, but that's something for a separate tutorial. And that's basically it. You will see also the meeting participants here you have invited by clicking into people. And you will see yourself here as the organizer. You will see the invitational link here again and the list of participants below under this meeting. You may also use the chat feature here by clicking into chat and simply chat with your meeting participants by using that field here at the bottom. You may raise a hand, for example, if you're participating in a meeting like, I don't know, for example, a meeting with your friends. And you may react to something by sending reactions, change the view, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, there's quite a lot you can do as a meeting participant here on Microsoft Teams. So let me quit that video call by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting End Meeting, confirm. And that's it. That's how you start new video calls on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.